What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Maverick's Point of View. This is your boy Maverick. This is video number 2 for the day for Sunday. It is April the 2nd already. Man, time is flying, guys. June just, July was like, and so now we're in April. August. And we're looking at the charts. We're looking at XRP today. We're going to go over it really quickly. I really don't see anything worth really talking about because we're still in the matrix. We are starting to get lower lows on Bitcoin, but I want to go over XRP real quick. So, I'm not making any moves. I'm not doing anything until I see the market come out of these pockets. It's that simple. You guys can play in the middle, in the in between if you want to, in the consolidation, but there's no real defined movement. The market's just going like this, right? And when the market's going like this, we just stay out because eventually the market's going to go up here or down here. And that's when we get in and we capitalize and we seize our opportunity. We take our chance. So that's what's going on right now. It looks like it's making lower lows, but they're getting tested and they're not really, you know what I'm saying? We're not getting out of this pocket. That's they keep it simple. We want to trade out of the pockets. We don't want to trade in the pockets. In the pockets is where the chaos is at. There's opportunity there, sure, on the lower time frames, but I'm not teaching y'all that because I don't focus on that. When I come into the chart, I want to come into where I'm getting like 20,000 points, 20%, 10%, 5%, whatever the case may be, so I can get my multiples and make my real money. I don't want to deal with the chaos, and I'm not going to teach y'all that. So now on to Bitcoin. Same kind of thing here. We're starting to get a little bit of a lower low here, right? And I say that because we were having lows, lows, lows. This low came in. However, we got to start breaking some lows and getting some movement in a defined direction. Now, obviously, we're still looking at this move because this is what we're currently in, and that's what I'm going to wait for. So I'm going to wait for it really to get here and then to get here and do this move. But I'm not seeing anything that's really giving me confidence to like not to trade because I have confidence to trade whenever, but really giving me the want to take and seize opportunity. Like I don't want to seize any like this is whatever, bro. I like trading when the markets do this. Y'all know it. You know what I'm saying? When the markets jump and give me some volume, that's where I want to be. I want to be in this. I don't want to be in this. I don't want to be in this. I want to be I don't even really want to be in this, but I'll start taking if I see opportunity. I'll just move to another chart, as y'all know. I want to be in this. I want to wait for moves to come, volume to come. I want to wait for weeks to look like this. Like you see this right here, where these weeks are starting to show, hey, we're starting to go down significantly. That's where I want to jump in. Right now, we're getting these back and forth weeks, and I'm not playing with it. And y'all should not either. That's what I'm trying to teach y'all. So both of these videos are meant to be short. I hope I didn't speak too fast or talk too fast. Remember, you can slow down the video if I'm going too fast for you. And if I'm going too slow, you can speed it up too. So with that being said, thank you guys again for tuning in to Maverick's Point of View. I will go over a midweek video if necessary, but I really am just pushing y'all to wait for these moves to happen. Don't make the trading complicated. Don't make the markets complicated. Look at it from the whole point of view, whole perspective, whole picture, and then zoom in. You know what I'm saying? Whole picture, dial in. The entire picture, the entire body of work, and then focus on your moves happening within that body of work, right? Don't rush. That's why we're patient because we know eventually it's going to get out of these pockets and we're going to make our money and we're going to be happy. And everybody else is going to be crying about taking losses or, buying and holding and how it sucks, whatever the case may be. We're not on that side. We see things before they happen and we're waiting until they happen. And then when they do happen, we already know what time it is and we take action. So with that being said, again, thank you guys for tuning in. It's been Maverick's Point of View. It's your boy Maverick, and and don't forget because I missed this in the last video. Just you know what I'm saying? Jesus is king. I'm gonna just tell y'all that. I'm gonna start being more louder about that in my videos too, because faith is important to me and it should be important to y'all. And if y'all walking around faithless and aimless, y'all gonna see the world is a very interesting place. But anyway, thank y'all again. Peace.